Today I come another application, guys, to earn a lot of money, guys. First of all, this application work on Telegram only. Okay, you must download Telegram, and then the second thing you have to do, the second step, come in this video, click on the comments, go in the comments, click on the link, and then it will lead you here. Okay, first download Telegram, second come in my comments, I put the link, right? Okay, so once you register, once you enter through my link, they give you the bonus. Okay, they will give you your bonus, you will see it here. So how this application work, the way to the currency of this application is Blom. Okay, it's Blom. So how to earn money here, first step is by clicking here, as you can see, like this. You see up, you can see up there, you see I have $60, $60. Okay, as you can see, this is the first way to run. You just, okay, down here we can see down here, okay, here down they give you, it is 5,000 times, means you can type, it's like spinning, you can spin like this 5,000 times, and then they give you money, right? This is the first way to earn money. The second, you come here on task. Once you come on task, okay, then you come here. This is daily reward, this is weekly reward, right? So you just start to claim. You claim here, let me claim, you see, then they give you. So this is the second day, they count. So second day of this week, right? So this week, because I didn't start today, right? Yes. So as I got mine, so you scroll down, okay, so all of these are for, they say here, members of crypto signal channel, and then they give you $10 monthly. Here, members of forex signal channel, here sign up reward, invite friends reward, right? And then extra reward, inviting 20 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, become join Blombard community. Here is to, okay, join Telegram, they give you $1. You join X or Twitter, they give you $1. And then here it is every day they give you $1 if you put these things. You write Blom on your Telegram name, okay? And then here, hey guys, it's too much. As you can see, it's too much, too many ways. So the things you see, other things I don't check here. If you see this one, this means completed, but those I didn't complete yet, right? Yes. So all of this I already completed, and then I already withdraw. I already withdraw it. So let me show you now how to. Yes, you have to go to do those things. Just you click on it here, you click, and then you complete, click, complete. So let me tell you, once you enter, they give you the bonus. This is the bonus they will give you. You will just come and then you click, and then they give you the bonus of 10. They give you the bonus of $10. Yes. So here it is where when you invite friends, they give you $1 per friend. Okay. And then here it is 20 people. Once you when you invite 10 people, they give you $20. Okay. Yes. As you can see, I already complete all those things. Yes. So another way to earn money here is to come on game. Yes. Okay, as you can see. The second thing I want to show you is to come on referrals. Yes. As referrals, you can earn money by referral. You can see me, I already invite 25 people. and then they give me my $10, my $20. As you can see there, I already show you. Yes. Okay, you can see it in my task here. You see, I already invite. Yes. Yeah, so now my goal is to invite, to reach this one, to reach 100 people to get that amount, $250, right? So now the question now is how to withdraw, right? So to withdraw, you have to come. So this is, let's go back in the home. Yes, in this home, yes, you come here. Okay, you come on claim, and then you come here. Remember, you must have the minimum of $10. So you come here, you click on max, and then you come, you click on claim. And before you click on claim, please remember, this application you can withdraw only once per month. You can't withdraw anytime. If I withdraw now, I will not withdraw again on this January. I will wait for February to withdraw. So let's go. Let me show you how it is. Okay, your asset has been successfully moved to exchange platform, right? Yes. Now you have to click on this. You go on exchange platform, right? Okay. As you can see, guys, don't waste time. Don't, you just go to see this Blombard. Okay. So once you are here, to come here on wallet. You click on wallet. So follow carefully the step. Yes. And then what you have to do here, right, is to click on withdraw. Yes, we want to withdraw it. Yes. So now you come here, you select Blombard. Okay, and then you come here, you click on max. This is $60 I have, and then before you submit, you have to put the recipient Blom address. So you have to go to your Trust Wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet, right? Yes, this currency is found only on Trust Wallet here, so you can use only Trust Wallet. Wait, please. Okay, so once you are in your Trust Wallet, come on receive. Click on receive, and then you come up here, you search Bloom BLM. Okay, it is this one, and then you type BLM, right? And then you come here, you copy, and then you come here, you paste. Okay, yes, after you come on submit, right? So you come on submit. You come on confirm. Enter your, yes, here you have to put the code of your 6 digit. Okay, so you have to put this. Okay, yes. So we have to wait. So as you can see here, you have to put the you have to put the code, but me I can't get it because I already withdraw. Okay, so to withdraw is once per month. Okay, it's one per month, so me I can't withdraw. So that is why, guys, you see I can't, as they write there. So you, it will be the first time, so it will be easy for you to withdraw. But me, I have to wait for February, so that is why. So guys, thank you guys. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, in the next video I will show you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to your mobile money account. So stay in my channel and then like. Thank you very much, guys.